Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm super jet lagged today. I probably slept 3 or 4 hours last night because I'm still getting used to the new time zone. And I'm very excited to record this video for you guys and unbox the item that I have just purchased. It's one of the items from my wish list, and I'm so happy to finally have it in my collection, and I hope that you like it as well. Actually, I had no intention of purchasing this Cartier bracelet this year because I have a rule of purchasing only one item per year. But the fact that Singapore dollar is stronger than British pound at the moment, I had to take advantage of it, and Cartier is gonna have their price increase very soon on most of the items, including Juste Un Clou and including Love range. This is what I was told by SA, so I couldn't miss this opportunity, and I cannot justify overpaying 10% more next year. Plus the currency might go up. It was just a perfect time for me. Of course, I have another item on my wish list and I'm still considering it. I want to be absolutely sure if I want to have it. I want to get Cartier Love bracelet in white gold with diamonds. It's so beautiful and shiny. I really like the way they look together. I was told that you cannot really polish this bracelet that much because of the diamonds. And the bracelet without the diamonds looks okay. However, it's a little bit too dull on my skin tone. Plus, the bracelet with the diamonds is a lot shinier. But I want to wear my current Love bracelet for longer to look at the scratches, see if I would be comfortable wearing two. And yeah, I just basically want to be 120% sure that I will love it and will use it as much as possible, because this item is quite expensive and this money can be spent in a better way. And unless I'm gonna use it 24/7, there is no point of getting it. That's my rule. So yeah, I'm very excited. Here is the item. It's in here and I will unbox it in a minute, and I hope that you like it. By the way guys, if you like my content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And if you haven't watched my previous video unboxing my Cartier Love bracelet, I will link it down for you below so you can check it out. Well, when I came to the store, I saw so many eye candies. I was thinking about getting it in different colors, either white gold, rose gold. I still like the yellow gold. They are so beautiful. I do like the thin version as well. It's really cute. It's quite dainty and the price is pretty good. It's just not very easy to put it on. I was struggling to put it on by myself. I had to ask SA to help me, and I can imagine I would probably have to ask my husband to help me every morning, which is not ideal. I want to be able to put on my bracelets myself, and yeah, that's why I didn't want to buy it. Another reason was because the standard version is more expensive, so if I'm buying it overseas, I might just take advantage of the price and how much I can save on tax, GST or VAT. I also wanted to match my current Cartier Love and my VCA bracelets. So let's begin. I have it here. I'm so excited. I really love this bracelet. The moment I saw it for the first time, I fell in love with it. I was so tempted to purchase it on the spot in Singapore, but the price is so much more expensive than Cartier Love. And by the way, the prices in Singapore are pretty high. This is the pillow that came with it. And I had the same pillow with my Cartier Love bracelet. By the way, I purchased my Love bracelet in Singapore with vouchers, therefore the price was a lot less than the retail. By the way, if you already have Cartier Love bracelet in the size 16, you should get the bracelet in the size 15. Juste Un Clou always runs bigger, so you have to go size down so they would look nice together. And even if you're not planning to wear them together, it's still recommended to, get the size just in case. Anyway, here is the certificate of authenticity. It comes with the bracelets, and I won't show all the details just in case. And here we have the bracelet. My Juste Un Clou. It's just a plain Juste Un Clou in size 15 in yellow gold without the diamonds. I prefer the diamonds on the white gold. It's so easy to open and close it, so close and just push in this area, open. So easy. Again, close and push here, open. I love it. I'm not planning to wear Juste Un Clou together with love 24/7 because I have to go to office. I cannot wear so many bangles, bracelets. I don't feel really comfortable. I would always wear my love every day. I don't take it off. However, with Juste Un Clou, I would wear it when going out. I could wear it on Fridays because we have casual Friday. So yeah, I just feel more comfortable this way. By the way, my essay didn't recommend to wear Juste Un Clou this way together with love because it might scratch it. So it's better to turn it the other way and let the nail face it. That way they won't be scratching each other that much. I love the way Juste Un Clou looks with Rolex. It's so beautiful. You can actually wear it like that as well. It's really nice. I love this watch, by the way. I did feature it in my other video, which I will link down below for you if you want to check it out. I went to Rolex and tried different sizes. Everything looks amazing with Juste Un Clou. You can stack it with different jewelry or you can wear it on its own. It's still gonna look amazing. I love how simple it is, and at the same time it looks so edgy and it matches everything. I also want to try it with my VCA bracelet. I have previously posted an unboxing video and a shopping vlog where I went to VCA and I purchased this bracelet. I will link it down below for you in case you haven't watched it. So you see, it looks really nice. I feel that Cartier Juste Un Clou is not as prone to scratches as Cartier Love bracelet because of its surface. It's rounder and I think the scratches won't be that visible. I'm gonna stack 3 of them together. It looks so nice. I think I would wear these bracelets only during weekends or for a special occasion. I'm still getting used to the bigger stack. I can wear such stack with simple jeans, white t-shirts, and it will elevate my look. I really love it. I asked you guys about this stack on Instagram. Some of you liked it, some of you didn't like it so much. I personally think it's quite interesting. However, I'm not used to wearing so many bracelets together. Maybe with some outfits it could look nice. If you guys are interested, I'm thinking about recording a video where I would compare Juste Un Clou and Cartier Love bracelet. Let me know if this is something you would be interested in, because actually when I was buying my first Cartier Love bracelet, I couldn't decide between two. And I can share pros and cons of owning both. Scratches. I want to use my Juste Un Clou for longer to see how it gets scratched, whether it's comfortable, and I could record this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and do feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye!